In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade to Beacons.ai Pro. I'm also going to cover some reasons why you might want to do this, and I'll give you my thoughts in general on Beacons.ai. So right now I'm on Beacons.ai on the homepage, and I've got this notification to upgrade. Now if you don't have this notification, I recommend you refresh the page, and the notification should come back. You can then go ahead and click Learn More, and we can upgrade to Beacons.ai Pro. Now why would we want to do that, and how much is it? So if we go ahead and uncheck this annual plan, I don't want to pay annually, I want to pay per month. So currently for Store Pro, it's going to be $30 per month, and that's the one that they're going to try and get you to buy. I like the idea of Creator Pro though, because a lot of you that are watching are going to be small creators, which they could use Creator Pro, right? You don't need Store Pro, you don't need Business Pro. I would start on Creator Pro, and that's what I'm going to start on. And what that does is it gives us a free custom domain name. It allows us to gain access to buy now, pay later, 0% invoice fees. We can also create email automations. You can send up to 500 emails per month, and it removes the Beacons.ai logo. So I think it really is a win-win and a great plan to start on. I'm really doing it for the custom domain feature, so I can connect other domains or even use their free custom domain. So I'm going to pay $10 per month. We can now click upgrade to Creator Pro. It will then ask you to choose your free domain name. Now, I'm not sure what the criteria is for the domain name here. I'm not sure if you can register a .com domain, but we're going to try. So it looks like you can claim .com domains. So I'm going to have itsbradleyharrison.com. We'll then claim that domain. Now I'm going to enter in my billing details, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I've done that and I've made the payment. It's now going to register my domain, which may take up to 30 seconds. And there we go. We're now a Beacons Pro subscriber, and we can now use all of the features of Beacons Pro. The feature that I'm most excited about is the ability to use custom domains. So if I go to my link in bio, I should now be able to choose for my custom domains. So if I go to settings here, you can see we can now go ahead and manage our domains. Now I'm going to go and manage this within a different video, but that's how you can buy Pro. I hope that video did help you out.